Hello guys, welcome back. I'm here with another video. This is for 4-stroke diesel engine. Okay, let's see how this works. So we have already identified most of the parts of this IC engine: flywheel, crankshaft, connecting rod, piston, inlet, exhaust valves. Okay, there is a cooling jacket. Okay, then there is a crank gear, cam gear. Okay, like that. And then extra, this is the fuel pump. Okay, and this is generally, or let's say every time, if there is a mechanical injector, it is operated using on camshaft, because in 4-stroke engine, in 2 revolutions you need one injection. So that's why this is operated by camshaft. So always remember, whether it is a single cylinder, multi-cylinder, if the engine is 4-stroke and a diesel engine, always this fuel pump will be operated by camshaft. Okay, so the working is very simple. Again, start from, let's say, TDC. This is the inlet valve on blue side. This is the exhaust valve. Okay, this will be operated using this rocker arm like this. Okay, and these will be operated using the camshaft. Okay, so let's have a look on camshaft again. You can see, if I rotate this, you can see there are two cams here. You can have a look here. I'm pointing towards that. See, this is the cam, this is the cam. There is one follower here. It will move upward and downward, and in turn it will move this rocker arm, okay, like this, and then it will operate the valve. Okay, so start from top dead center, piston will move downwards. Okay, and at that time this inlet valve will be open. Okay, to clean out this air, you will have a air filter here. Okay, so air will come inside through this inlet valve, and this suction stroke will continue till the piston is reaching up to bottom dead center. Okay, then this valve will be closed, then compression stroke will start, and before uh, reaching to TDC, there will be a fuel injection. So you can see here, you can see this part is moving, plunger is moving. Okay, let me show you. See, I'm rotating in 2 revolution. This will come up once. Okay, see, so till this point, compression, this suction stroke is done, and as you are compressing it, when you are close to the TDC, at that point this fuel pump will operate and it will inject the fuel. Then combustion will happen, then piston power stroke will happen, piston will come down, and again exhaust stroke, and in this exhaust stroke your exhaust valve will be open. Okay, this is how the cycle completes. Okay, so instead of spark plug, here there will be a fuel injector, and for pumping, or let's say pressurizing that fuel, there is a fuel pump. So fuel pump is operated by camshaft, and there will be a fuel injector. So in this setup, or let's say in this cut section, you can't make a difference between, let's say, spark plug or this fuel injector, but you can assume it to be a fuel injector. Okay, so it will inject fuel somewhere here at the middle. Okay, so this is it for diesel engine, diesel 4-stroke engine, and these are the parts. Okay, see you in next video.